save post on Instagram. So the step are so simple to follow. First of all, after you open your phone, go and open your Instagram app like this. After you open your Instagram app, as you can see now, let's say now I want to save this post, as you can see now this post. So if you want to save the post, tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this little icon. So as you can see here, it says you save or save to collection. So all you have to do now to check the post, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile, now tap on this menu at the top right side. Now tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this save option, save. So now as you can see now, tap on this where it says all post, tap on it. So as you can see now, from now you can be able to see all the posts that you save on your Instagram account. You can go ahead now and review the post, or you can go ahead now and watch the post again. So as you can see now, you can still watch the reel that you save. As you can see now in this session, if you tap on this session, you can be able to see all the reels that you save on your Instagram. That's it guys, on how to see or how to find save post on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.